Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dev error 0xD8E46539 error on Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PS5 or PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation or PC or game. So one of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 if you are playing the game on PS5. It is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller and then select power button and then finally select restart PS5. So after restarting the PS5, check if the issue is fixed. For your PC, simply click on the Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to restore licenses. Method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Call of Duty Black Ops 6, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Now after that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for game update. See, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option, and if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed. Now next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam users. If you are getting this error, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to delete conflicting files. So for that, you have to go to your console storage settings, then search for the Call of Duty game, and after that delete any install packs for Black Ops 7 or Warzone, and after that again reinstall them and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 6 game. So PS5 users, simply uninstall the game once and then check if the issue is fixed, and Steam users, if you're getting the error, you just have to remove the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC or from your PS5, and after that reinstall the game once again and then check whether the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.